Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can fix where Google Chrome is not opening on your Windows. Several times that you're trying to open your Google Chrome and this is not opening. So please watch this video and we are going to fix this issue. So in the Windows search bar, type Task Manager Best Match. Go ahead and click on that. Now here in the Task Manager window, in the left pane, click on Details. Then simply scroll down and look for chrome.exe. Once you find that, right-click and then select End Process Tree. If open programs or processes are associated with this process tree, they will close and you will lose any unsaved data. Now you have to click on End Process Tree. And also you have to click on Processes and look for the Google Chrome application right here. And if you find that, just simply right-click and then select End Task. Now once done, close this window and then try to launch the Google Chrome application after that. Next method is make a right click on the Google Chrome desktop icon, select show more options, click on open file location. Now right click on it and then select show more options, click on properties. Now here you have to click on this compatibility tab. Check this box and run this program in compatibility mode 4. And choose the latest Windows. Check this box and run this program as an administrator and click on apply and then OK. And then launch the Google Chrome application. Next method is make a right click again on the Google Chrome desktop icon. Select open file location. Right click and then select rename. So I'm going to name this Google Chrome 1. So it's up to you. And then right click and then select show more options. Now click on create shortcut. Windows can create shortcut here. Do you want the shortcut to be placed on the desktop instead? Click on yes. Then delete the old shortcut and then open the new Google Chrome shortcut. And this time it will open for you. You can also rename it. Once you have deleted the old Google Chrome shortcut. The next method is right click on the Google Chrome. Oh, no. Simply press the Windows key and R button together. Then here you need to type percent local app data percent and click on OK. Then here you need to look for the Google folder. This one, double click. Click on the Chrome folder. Click on user data folder. And you'll find the default folder. Now before we are going to delete this default folder, we are going to backup it first. So right click on it and then select copy and then paste it anywhere. So I'm going to paste it in a different destination folder right here. I'll paste it on the desktop. Click on continue. So this is for the sake of backup for important data. Now once done, simply go back to the same destination. Press the Windows key and R button together. Type percent local app data percent. Hit enter. Then look for the Google folder. Double click, user data, double click, and then right click at the default folder and then select delete. Click on continue. Now once done, simply close this and then launch your Google Chrome application again. Then we can also try to run the SFC scan to repair for any system corrupt files and to repair a Windows. So in the Windows search bar, type here CMD, best match command prompt. On the right pane, click on run as administrator. In here, type SFC space / scan now and hit on enter. Now this process will take some time, so we just need to wait for this process to be completed. Once done, just type exit, hit enter, and then make a restart of your Windows by right-clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. So if any of the fixes helped you in solving the issue, please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.